as you see here, this is a product, Nualgae, which is a foliar spray, and using this, you can grow any crop without chemicals. So this is a micronutrient, mix of micronutrient, and it has to be sprayed on the leaf, not on the soil. So using this, you can grow any crop, be it a domesticated crop or a wild crop like a jungle, etc. And we got recently covered by DD Kisan during the lockdown. It got telecast in the national television, and we have worked with few big companies in the trial stage, like PepsiCo, like Marico Innovation Foundation, whereby using our technology, we are trying to grow their crop. Like in case of PepsiCo, we had done trials on potato for their Lay's chips, as well as for the Marico, we were working on their coconut for the Parachute brand. Doing. So yeah. So these are some of the things that we have done, and we are also talking to farmers so that slowly but surely we can take off the agrochemical, which are harmful agrochemicals from the ecosystem. So unless sometimes what I see a fallacy in our ecosystem is we start to pressurize the farmer and say that you have to leave the agrochemical from tomorrow, and you have to go for an organic way of life or organic way of cultivation. Unless you give a sustainable and a good source or a good technology so that the farmer can use it, and then they can leave the other harmful chemical technologies. Unless you give that to the farmer, a farmer in today's time cannot even afford a one crop cycle of lower yield, because then what happens is one crop cycle, I'm saying, even one crop cycle of lower yield they cannot afford. So if you are currently using a chemical farming, doing a chemical farming, and suddenly you start you do a shifting towards the organic farming, the yield will suddenly drop for at least for 3 years. Then again it may rise if you are doing a proper way of organic farming. But unless you have a good technology and all, the yield will never come to the level of the chemicals. Okay. Then what happens is the farmers say that by organic way of farming, I am getting lower yield. Let me continue with the chemical way of farming. And that's why, in spite of so many schemes, in spite of so many government pushing, the shift from a agrochemical farming to a organic farming has not happened, and it's not going to happen at a very fast pace. And by the time it happens, maybe 20 years down the line, by 2040, the ecosystem will be anyways dead by that time, next 20 years. We have seen the things happening in air, in case of air pollution, which is one of the biggest culprit of lot of disease happening to us, because air is free, but the free air is quite polluted, especially if you go to the north side. Delhi is facing humongous. I am from Delhi. I've lived in Delhi life.